Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to get this plushie, the steampunk plushie. I think now you need to get a ship, anything that can go. But I'm using this jet because I wanna be fast and all that. Now you need any type of phone. The first thing is you can go to the first jump pad. Now you wanna get in this target thing. Now you just wanna follow these gems up here. Okay, first you need, there's different shades of yellow and different shades of like things. So just careful. First is light red. Second is cyan. Third is light green. Fourth is light pink. And fifth is you gotta be careful with the yellow one. Not this one. This one. You always have to remember, not this or this. Never pick this or this. Just like, just go and get over. And you'll get the plushie. I already have it in my inventory because I already have it. If you want to get this plushie, the filter one, I have another video about that. But for this video, I'm going to show you this. Maybe I want to, I'll make a video about this one. Look for this video. Bye. Bye.